Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Let's take a look at this US dollar against the Japanese yen. Yes, it's in a strong uptrend, and last year we got a failure up at a major level on monthly resistance, previous support level, which I'll show you in a moment. And price definitely spiked through and failed pretty much for months and months and months. And we're talking about a move from the 150 level all the way down as a low this year, down around 127. So quite a significant move. And that's why I'm watching this daily resistance level to see if this is going to come into play. But to make an argument, let's go back in time. Let's look, this is a big picture argument. So let's have a look at the monthly chart. You can see going back in time, this is a level that is deemed as expensive as far as this US dollar against the Japanese yen goes. But let's go back a little bit further and make it more interesting. You can see this level, these levels of support becoming resistance, okay, right around this 150 area. That is back in 1987. So if you were around in 1987, you would have been watching movies like Beverly Hills Cop 2, Good Morning Vietnam, and of course the great Untouchables. My question is this US dollar now overextended? And is this 152 level or 150 level going to be untouchable for this US dollar against the Japanese yen? So let's take a look. So let's go to a weekly chart, and I'll just zoom this out a little bit for you. You'll see this level it's failed at. This is the weekly level of resistance that we're back up to, and we have recovered over the year a lot of this retracement. So my question is, going back in time, this is deemed as being a very expensive price for this US dollar yen. If we get a correction like we did last year, could we see a significant trading opportunity on a longer term trade? Okay, so if we go to daily now, I'm zooming in, you can see we almost had the intervention here. So I'll just move this out. And you can see right here, this particular day, it all happened in about 5 minutes. We had a 270 pip correction, okay, in a few moments. Are we starting to put in a lower level of resistance on the daily there? So I'm looking at this 150 level or 149 sort of 80 level. So this is the area I'm keeping an eye on. And when I go to the 4-hour chart, okay, if we have a look at this move, it's retraced back up and formed some lower resistance levels. So that's what I'm going to be keeping an eye on, folks. There is the potential, if it breaks through to new highs or even 100 pips above that, then that is sort of a small risk for the potential gain here, where it could, like it did last year, have a big significant move to the downside.